Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a beaten up old Tootsie Toy casting, which is as basic as it gets in this hobby. I got this in the mail from Pop's Reclamation Station in my home country of Canada with a note attached to this one that said, "Needs paint." Got that right, Pops. This one has been chewed by the dog. But it's a special build today because the diecast community is honoring the memory of Scott Koster, who passed away a year ago. We called him the Tootsie Toy King because that was his specialty. He sure made an impact on me when I was just starting out in this hobby and really took me under his wing and gave me all kinds of encouragement, which in turn gave me the confidence that I could do this. So thanks to the Diecast International Builders Group, of which Opa was part, for sponsoring this memorial build and keeping his memory alive. If we're ever going to use the phrase making a silk purse out of a sow's ear, this would be the day, because this is a one-piece casting, 2 axles and wheels, and it's not in glorious shape even when I get it down to the bare metal like this. So it gets the standard and perfunctory cleanup with a couple of different Dremel tool attachments, and it makes some good progress. I can put that into the degreaser now and get underway with primer and a paint job that I think would suit this. I think it looks like this Fairlane, don't you? It's just stamped Tootsie Toy Chicago on the bottom in the rear, and underneath in the front it just says Ford. So I don't know if they had all the proper copyrights that they needed or not, but I'm going with Fairlane today. And with that in mind, I'm masking it up for a two-tone paint job, which I'll show you in a couple moments. But first, some coming attractions on my channel. Most importantly, a charity build for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Canada Day is a month away now, and I hope you'll participate in my invitational and do up any car you want in the flag colors of red and white. I sure hope you'll follow my channel closely, and even through the upcoming summer months, I'm going to post a weekly Saturday video for you. So hit that sub button. Doesn't cost you a thing. I've elected to go with a pale yellow color on the lower half of the car, and I achieved that by using mostly Vallejo Premium White with a drop or two of yellow in it. After that's properly dried up, I always put a clear coat on before I mask and apply a second color. The same technique, mostly white, couple of drops of green to go pale green on the top half. I think this suits the look of the era of the late 50s. Today's community showdown goes to Opa's Diecast Restorations because the YouTube channel has been carried on by Scott's son Caleb. I've left a link in the description so you can follow it as well, and I'd sure appreciate if you'd go by and give him a visit, and the same kind of encouragement that I used to get from his dad. Thanks so much. Some careful unmasking reveals that I had some good luck today, because I got really nice, crisp, sharp lines delineating the pale yellow and the pale green. I'm always happy when that works out well. And I thought I'd do a tan leather interior. Top would be down in the nice weather that we're having in Switzerland right now. I hope you're enjoying the first signs of summer where you live. And when you leave a respectful comment below for this video, be sure to tell me where you're watching from, because as a world traveler, I'm truly interested to know. The front grille and the rear get a little bit of chrome detail. I do it with a paintbrush. The old sandpaper on the axle and the power drill trick always works. I know if Opa were here right now, I'd get a good scolding because I am breaking all the rules put in some replacement Matchbox wheels. Tootsie Toy. The originals were just too far gone to even refurbish nicely. But I think they look just fine, don't you? Opa used to say it's all in the details on these simple little cars. I did my best with what I had to work with, and I hope Opa would be pleased with this one. Sure was rough in the beginning, just signs of being well loved and played with, though. Thanks again, Pops, for sending this one to me in a mail call. It's back to showroom condition now, and I hope you like what I did with it in a late 50s kind of a style. I remember when these roamed the earth. I also remember having a bag of Tootsie Toys when I was a kid. Put on my little Euro cobblestone diorama with a street lamp to show it off well, and I also made a little coffee coaster-sized diorama with Opa's logo on it. All packaged up and ready to go to the Goodwill store now as custom number 237. I miss you, brother. Thanks again to the DIBs team for sponsoring this memorial tribute build. Be sure to look for all of the other uploads. Thanks for visiting my channel today, everyone. I wish you a lovely weekend. It's coffee time.